If you're in need of air conditioning repair services in Boca Raton, Florida, I recommend following these steps to find a reputable and reliable HVAC contractor. Research local HVAC companies. Start by searching online for HVAC companies in Boca Raton. You can use search engines like Google or business directories like Yelp to find a list of potential service providers. Look for companies with good customer reviews and ratings. Check for licensing and certification. Verify that the HVAC companies you're considering are licensed and insured to perform air conditioning repair work in Florida. This ensures that they meet the necessary standards and regulations. Ask for recommendations. Seek recommendations from friends, family, neighbors, or colleagues who have recently had AC repairs done. Personal referrals can be valuable in finding trustworthy contractors. Request quotes. Contact several HVAC companies and request detailed quotes for the repair work you need. Make sure the quotes include the cost of labor, parts, and any additional fees. Compare these quotes to get an idea of the average cost. Inquire about experience. Ask the HVAC companies about their experience with repairing your specific type and brand of air conditioner. Experienced technicians are more likely to diagnose and fix issues accurately. Check references. Request references from the HVAC companies and reach out to past customers to inquire about their experiences. This can give you insights into the quality of their work in customer service. Verify availability and response time. Ensure that the HVAC company can provide prompt service, especially if your AC issue is urgent. Ask about their availability for emergency repairs, weekends, and evenings. Discuss warranty and guarantees. Inquire about any warranties or guarantees the HVAC company offers for their repair work. A reputable company should stand behind their services. Read the contract. Carefully read and understand the contract before agreeing to any repair work. Pay attention to payment terms, completion timelines, and any other important details. Trust your instincts. Trust your gut feeling when selecting an HVAC contractor. If something doesn't feel right or you have doubts about a particular company, consider looking elsewhere. Remember that regular maintenance of your HVAC system can help prevent major breakdowns in the first place. It's a good idea to schedule routine maintenance to keep your air conditioner running smoothly. By following these steps and doing your due diligence, you can find a qualified and trustworthy HVAC contractor in Boca Raton for your air conditioning repair needs.